Okay, it's been a while since my last daily recap, um, and I still have some serious time issues, so I'm gonna do a daily recap real quick. So I don't think I have any positions left from my last daily recap about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So let's start with okay, let's start here. Let's start with AAY. So this one I bought it. Oh yeah, actually this one I have since my last video. I bought it here, as you remember, on this day, and I still have a piece, small. I think I had 1,000 shares or 1,500 shares. I only have 200 shares left. And then in this account, I bought 1,000 shares down here when it bounced off the rising 20-day. And well, straight up since. Bioc, I bought it here, no follow through, so sold for a tiny loss. RGLS, I bought it, had some big insider buying. I bought it on this day here and straight up since. UCTT. Oh yeah, this one I actually moved from this account to this account here. And this one I bought here when it kind of bounced off rising support. ESPR, I've been short a while, only have small left. I missed it on this day here, but I did short pops on this day, and I still have small left. I think it can go down a couple of more bucks, maybe to 35 or something. So I'm keeping small in case it does that. BPMC, I bought it on Friday. No, I bought it on Monday. Bought it here 41.90. I've sold about half so far. Can go up a couple of bucks more. Shop, I was shorted it here in the high 70s. Covered most of my shares on the way down, and I got stopped out to my last third or last quarter here in the very low 70s for a small profit. OVAS, this one woke up. I've been long a few days. I bought it here in the 165, 167 area, and now it went over $2 yesterday. So I sold small. I think this thing could go to mid-high twos or something with a little bit of patience. Chivo, I've been long since a couple of days. Oh, it looks like it's gapping up today. That's great. So I've sold some, still have most of my shares. LL got stopped out on yesterday's gap down. I bought it here in the low 1820 area. Sold 2/3 on the way up and got stopped out for a tiny profit on my last small shares. PTLA. Okay, so I tried to short it near the open. I shorted it near the open, and my mistake here was I shorted it 37.80. I was gonna use like 38.10 stop, but I didn't stop out for some reason. I don't know. I got sloppy, and I ended up covering in the 38.60s, 38.70s. I just lost over $1,000 for additionally for no reason, just because I got a bit stubborn or lazy or I don't know, just stupid. Malsi, I tried to short it a couple of times, 2 times, small size, but well, market went straight up after the gap down open, so my shorts didn't really work. UVXY, I tried a small long on it, didn't work. So all my swing longs worked really well. Just the day trades that, I tried to initiate some, not the day trades. Tried to initiate some short trades, so I lost on all of those. PLSC, That was my main mistake yesterday. I did a little bit too much size. I think I should have been a bit more patient and careful. I went a little bit too aggressive. I tried it here, got stopped out. Tried it here, got stopped out. Tried it here, got stopped out. And then I tried it again end of day. I reinitiated a short, and well, I'm holding some small overnight. I have less size than I had earlier during the day, so that sucks. But looks like it's gapping down a little bit. Only 100 share print, so 300 share print, so it doesn't really mean anything. Ideal scenario if it pushes to 34.50 or something like that intraday and then fades up, gives us a 2, 3, 4. No, not 2, 3, but maybe $3 to $5 fade intraday. That would be great. Let's see. So I was actually down about 10, 11 grand at one point on this one. A little bit too early and a little bit too much size, but it's what it is. DVAX is another small low price stock. I've been long a while. Or actually no, actually not. I initiated it yesterday. Never mind. I thought it was another name. Didn't really have much follow through. I'm gonna use this 590 probably as my stop. This thing has data, or not data, but PDUFA in August. Could have a run up during the summer, but it's long way there. Had some data or something a couple of weeks ago that I traded. If you remember from one of my videos, I actually came in long into this gap up. It was a big trade, almost 20,000 on that one. And my initial risk on it was like $1,000, so it was an insanely good trade on this gap up. And now it looks like it's kind of bottomed out after the pullback, and I don't know. Maybe if it tries to break out again this 625 hour in a couple of days, I may add to it if I don't get stopped out before that. HTGM, I traded it intraday. I traded it on a bounce. Bought it here, 970 with a 940 stop, and went up more than $1 in like 15-20 minutes. So I was up a good amount of money on it, but I sold less than half of my shares, and then I got stopped out, break even on the rest. So this was actually, I was up like 5,000-6,000 on it. But unfortunately, I got a little bit too greedy on it. CPRX is one I bought yesterday. Bought it, got a really good price on it. 175, just shy of 176. So I'm long from here and just straight up. This is the kind of stock that can go to $253 very easily. Perfect bull flag. Just a perfect looking chart. My only regret is I didn't do more size. I only did 20 and sold some on the way up. PPHM, I initially bought 50,000 and I actually only kept 30 overnight because it didn't have follow through. It should have gone to 80 cents plus before it closed, but just didn't get much volume or price action after I bought it. Snap, I moved it from this account here because it's not marginable in this account, so I moved it to this account. It just used up too much buying power in that other account. So Snap, I'm long from 2070, the opening range highs on this day here, 2070. I was long it in this account here. I sold some on the way up, and then I moved my last 2,500 shares here, and looks like it's gapping down today. Probably gonna use like a low mid 21 stop on the rest. I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna try to be patient on it, considering my really good low average. Exas, bought into opening range highs, 2240. I think it can go to 24 or 25 or something. Had some news and everything, so that's great. That it. Those were my positions and trades. Let's look at the watch list real quick. This is my secondary long watch list. A lot of names here. Many of these are not ready, but I'm just stalking these. Short watch list. What do I have here? Not really excited about it. Maybe if it can go to like 650, 70 or 8 or something. 650, 7, 8. Maybe I'll be looking for a quick trade there. V-Ray. Hopefully it can go to 11 or something. Then I'll be interested. PLSC. I'm already short, looking to add more. Pen, if it can go to 8, 19 plus, that would be interesting. And Masi, it's in a range right now. This is actually kind of a bullish setup here. If it breaks this low 94, it could be a long setup. But I'm not gonna buy it. It's just too slow of a mover. ADR is 1.9%. There are better, faster moving names out there. This is my primary long watch list. These ones are definitely better looking than the other ones. And then there are some random names here. I'm gonna put some alerts on and some new scappers, and that's it for now.